Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you the maximum capacity for each program in dryer Miele. So the cotton, eco and the normal cotton, it's a maximum 8 kilograms. The delicate it's maximum 4 kilograms, very delicate maximum 2.5 kilo. The next one it's a wool finish, the maximum capacity is about 2 kilograms and the bed it's a 4 kilo. The next one it's a hot air and it's about 8 kilograms. The impregnation, the 2.5 kilograms and the shirts 2 kilograms. The last one is a express, maximum 4 kilograms. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, comment and goodbye.